Pit bulls are known for their strength and powerful bite. 2. Rottweiler. Rottweilers are fearless guard dogs with massive power. 3. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and extremely protective. 4. Dobermans. Dobermans are fast, alert, and deadly loyal. 5. Wolf Hybrid. Wolf hybrids carry wild instincts and unpredictable behavior. 6. Bull Mastiff. Bull Mastiffs are silent protectors with crushing strength. 7. Cane Corsos. Cane Corsos are elite guard dogs with dominant personalities.